I need that. Bring it over here. I need that over here. Good girl. Thank you. Is this thing upside down? Yeah, it is. Alright. That's swimming after us. Swimming away. Yeah. The bird. Good girl. Hi there. Yeah, I don't see any birds at me. I don't. Hi. Pretty girl. Oh goodness. I thought you were going to jump in. No, I'm going this way. I know you want to see them, but let's go this way. Oh, I know. I know it'd be. It's tough. This way, over here. There you go. Good girl. Come on. Bye-bye. Bye, Liberty. Goodbye. Bye, weimaraner. Evil weimaraner with a matching green vest, so I can't see you. Hi. Here we go. Oh, Libby! Careful. Sit. Sit. Oh, you're such a creeper. Stay. Oh my goodness. Stop. Alright. Let's go home. Let's go home. I think I might be on like my 50th picture of your pretty face. Yeah. You just want to go home. You want to go home? Sleeve or something here. Yeah. There you go. All clean. Hi, pretty face. Hey, my good girl. Yeah.